Hey friend, new ship, new cabin tour. I am on Carnival Legend and I'm in the interior cabin and I fell in love with ocean views. I was gonna see if I could upgrade. No, I don't need to upgrade. That's just more money out of pocket. I'm on a budget. But anyway, ain't got no upgrades anyway. This ship is full. Before I even got the words out of my mouth too good, he said nope. So anyway, let's go ahead and do a cabin tour. I'm in an interior cabin. We have a peephole here. Carnival Legend is a super old ship. When I first pulled up to this ship, I was like, oh my God, this is a baby ship. And then it has one of those key card thingies. So yeah, it's not even the electronic kind. But yeah, I pulled up and I'm like, oh my gosh. And it's only two ships in Miami right now. Carnival Legend and Carnival Celebration. So you can imagine Carnival Legend sitting next to Carnival Celebration. Is that the pole? Oh, this pole goes here. Okay. All right. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see. Did I miss anything over here? No, this one looks fine. All right, cabin stewards, get with the program. Yeah, but this is going to be my home for the next 14, technically 13 and a half days. And let's just show you what it looks like. So people are always asking, do you have to get an interior cabin? Are you ocean view? Do you get to have balconies? Honey, whatever the deal is that I get, that's the cabin that I get. Sometimes it's interior, sometimes it's ocean view. I've only upgraded. Have I done an upgrade yet? I know I did an upgrade, but I can't remember if it was one I already stayed in or not. Got a safe over here. Boom, bam, baby. I think I did I can't remember if I've ever done an upgrade. No, I put in a bid for an upgrade and I didn't get it. That's what happened. That's why I can't remember. All my papers. I am going to do a short excursion and I'm not sure which one yet, but I did ask everyone. I did do a post asking what things that people are interested in doing in these ports I'm going to, which is, now I can't think of the name of the cities, but I know I'm going to Liverpool, I'm going to Wales, England, and Ireland. And I need a seat with a back to it because I'm going to be doing content creation. Oh, and he brought me a chair. I just noticed that. I was so busy looking at the beds. Yeah, he brought me a chair with a back to it so I'll be able to work. Yay. Definitely going to have these beds separated so I can have some room. Actually, it's actually quite a bit of room. Sometimes I get the cabins and it's not enough room if they have the bed together like this. So actually I might just leave it like this for a change. All right, this is better. Cabin steward and came in, dropped me off a bottle of water. We got VIFP diamond lunch, but the main thing is that the beds are separated. Yeah, since I am going to be unpacking, being that this is a 14-day cruise, they have these little tables here. I think you can adjust them. I only got one hand free right now because I got the phone in it, but yep, there's my pool towels. And where's the switch for the light, for the cabin light? Oh, it's behind the pillow. You see it back there? Yep. Okay. They do have the lamps with, I don't know what that is, but we got a USB right there. Is it on the other one too? Yeah, it's on the other one too. So, boop, 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 boop. I don't know, I haven't decided. It really doesn't matter, but in case you are new to cruising, this is actually two separate beds, and if you want, you can have them separate the beds the 2 beds, and they'll change the linen because this is linen for a queen size bed, and they will put both nightstands in the middle so you can have 2 separate beds, whether it's you alone like me and you just want 2 separate beds, because I don't want to check up this whole thing. And I can put luggage and other stuff on one bed and sleep on the other side. Or if it's you and a partner, your daughter, some friend that you're cruising with or whatever, yeah, you can have the beds separated if you want to. This does not have any kind of bunk beds or anything like that. This here is probably part of this desk light. Let's see. Yep, it came on when I did this. Now what is this one for? I don't see anything. I don't know what that's for. It might go to the outlet, which I doubt. I've never seen 2 switches on the desk like that. And then so far, so I changed my luggage if you've been watching me for a while, because in Rome I had so much trouble without, they don't have elevators, and it's my understanding that that might be in a lot of places in Europe. So I got rid of my carry-on bag, and now I just have my check bag, which they haven't delivered yet. I have my electronics in my backpack, and then my essentials, my medicine, my headphones. I keep my sling and my blue chair in this bag, but this bag is too heavy. It might just be the way I'm carrying it, but I can't do anything just yet because I already got rid of, let me turn this around. I already got rid of everything that I felt that I could get rid of that I don't need or really want. So it might be some of those things that I still have to get rid of, because my check bag is already at 49.5 pounds. This backpack is already at 25 pounds, which it doesn't need to be more than that. And so I'm gonna make this little bag lighter. Everything that I have in it is essential, so I don't know what else to get rid of. But anyway, that's for me to work out. If and when I do, I'm pretty sure I will. I'll make another packing video so you know exactly what I decided on. But for now, we got what we got. All right, so let's finish this cabin. Let's finish this cabin tour. This, of course, just a little table thingy, and I got a fridge down here. I'm surprised they didn't bring me any water yet. But yeah, nice little fridge. The door is turned the wrong way, of course, but I'll deal with it. Nobody will die from that. And last thing we got is, after the thermostat, we got 2 little thingies up here, 2 little hooks. And I'm already knowing that this is an older ship, so I'm expecting a shower curtain. And I have it. And if you're like, oh, what's so bad about a shower curtain? Honey, I got big girl problems, and this is not a lot of room. This might be 3 feet by 2.5 feet. And this shower curtain, even though it looks in pretty decent shape, this will stick to me when I'm trying to shower. So we're gonna move this. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna rig it up. Don't tell Carnival I did this. We're gonna rig it like that. And then we're just gonna be super careful that we don't get water all over the floor. And let's do that. Let's do that. Yep. That's exactly how I'm gonna do it. Tell me you ain't never did it before. If you've been on these type of cruises, I know you have. All right, so we have the, what is that thing called? I can't remember what it's called. Clothesline. And then again, if you haven't been, who was in the shower? A little munchkin? Man, this thing don't even barely come up to my chin. Anyway, this can be adjusted and can be raised for the 5'9" and taller people. Like that. That's the perfect spot. If you higher than 5'9", you taller than 6 feet, I guess. Yeah, you just got to deal with it. And then this is adjusting the settings, right? And then of course you can adjust it up and down like that. All right, and then they come with shampoo and shower gel, no conditioner. A lot of people want to use conditioner. Nope, doesn't come with that. Turn on, turn off, warm it up. And other regular bathroom stuff. So this is the Carnival Legend. And now you know what it looks like. You know what this has that the newer ships don't? At least most of them. It has this double-sided mirror, which when you're doing makeup or different things that you need, say you're shaving or whatever, for the men, then yeah, you will have that there for you. And I think that is it. We got a TV here. One of the things that I gave up is my HDMI cord because, again, I could only take what I super really needed. But if you come with an HDMI cord and you want to hook up something, these give you the ability to do that. Alrighty, so what we doing? What we doing? There we go. Oh, and they give you this little thing to put luggage on, which not a big deal. I mean, how dirty is your luggage, and don't put the wheels on the bed. But anyway, what else? So I will let you know this ship is going from Miami to England, Britain, UK, whatever you want to call it. Why am I taking my shoes off? I'm gonna go to the sailaway party. Put your shoes back on. I done got comfortable. And it's going to be stopping in 5 or 6 different ports. I'm planning to take at least 1, possibly 2 excursions. So if you're interested in seeing what those are, see what it's like out here in these cruise streets, then stay tuned. This video will come up first, so if it's not linked at the end of this video, it's because I haven't made it yet. And then once I make those videos, I will link them. If you have any questions, because my arm is getting tired, if you have any questions or comments, please make sure you leave them below. And I'm gonna get out here, enjoy this cruise, and bring my camera with me so I can bring you some content about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you on the next cruise. I've already made 3 friends, 4, because one's a couple. Trinidad, Kirk, Katie, and Mark. Hey friends.